to GC Reddy Technologies. Download and install Java or Java programming environment setup. Say, to write and execute Java programs, we need to install Java. Java programming environment is required for writing and executing Java programs. Say, next, Java is a popular programming language. Primary purpose of Java is software development, and secondary purpose also there, that is software testing. Java can be used with Selenium for functional and regression testing, test automation. Next, Java can be used with the Appium tool for mobile testing. Okay. To write and execute Java programs, we need to download and install Java programming environment setup. Okay. Here steps. First step, download and install Java. Say Java has three different softwares, JDK, JRE, JVM. We need to download JDK software, Java Development Kit. It is full software. Say we are going to develop Java programs, so development kit is required. And one more thing, JRE includes JVM, JDK includes JRE. Suppose if you install JDK, then you will have JRE and JVM. Okay. Download and install Java software from oracle.com. Say current developer of Java software is Oracle Corporation. Previous developer Sun Microsystems. Current developer oracle.com. And Java is free software. Anybody can download and use it with free of cost. It is not open source. Free. See, there is a difference between open source and free. Open source means free to use as well as source code available. You can modify the source code and use. But for Java, source code not available. Oracle Corporation only update the Java software. But it is freeware, free software, but not open source. Okay. Second step, set environment variable. That environment variable is set Java environment variable. Environment variable is path. Why this environment variable? Say, in order to access Java software from any directory in your mission, you need to set environment variable, Java environment variable. How to set that I will show. Next, third one, download and extract Eclipse IDE. Say, for writing and executing Java programs, editor required. You can use Notepad as editor in Windows environment, but difficult to use. If we use Eclipse IDE like software platform, then it provides editor. Next, syntax highlighting, context help, auto compilation, etc. facilities. In addition, you can integrate Java software with other software. For example, Java with Selenium, etc. So use IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Download and extract. You no need to install Eclipse IDE. For some flavors of Eclipse IDE, just download zip version, extract that one, then it is ready to use software. Ready to use software. These are the three primary steps. Next, launch Eclipse IDE. Launch Eclipse IDE. Next, write and execute. Execute means run. Write and execute Java programs. These are the steps. Come to practical. First step, download and install JDK, Java Development Kit. Launch, you can directly type oracle.com in your browser address bar. See, Java download for Windows. And one more thing, Java is cross-platform. It supports various operating systems like Windows, Macintosh, Linux, etc. You download your operating system compatible software. My operating system is Windows 10 64-bit. I need to download Windows 10 64-bit compatible software. Java is cross-platform. Java.com, previous developer website, current developer Oracle. See here, latest versions available. Oh, directly 8 stable version. Otherwise, Java. Here observe Java 11.8. You try to download stable version according to Java documentation. 8 Java 8 1. Otherwise you can say 1.8. Java 8 is the stable version. Select JDK download. JDK download. Scroll down. Here, operating system wise supported software. See Linux, Mac, Solaris, Windows x86 for Windows 32-bit operating system, Windows x64 for 64-bit operating system. Mine is Windows 64. How to know? This PC, open, select and right click properties. Here observe Windows 10 home, system type 64-bit operating system. So I need to download Windows 10, 10.7, that doesn't matter. 32-bit, 64-bit, 86 for 32-bit, 64 for 64-bit. I'm downloading. I'm going to download Windows 64-bit compatible Java software. Click this link, executable file. Download. It is asking Oracle account. In order to download Java software, you need to use Oracle account. If you don't have Oracle account, you can create it using your email. It is free and easy also. I already created, see, gcreddy 2020 at gmail.com. Next, password. Click sign in button. Observe on left side bottom. It will download. left side bottom, downloading, JDK, downloading. Observe left side bottom, Java, one of the popular language in the IT industry. I think downloaded, close this one, open downloads folder, JDK downloaded. It is executable file. You this is teacup symbol. This is Java symbol. Click this executable file. Click this executable file. Yes. See, Java is used to develop desktop applications like Acrobat Reader, web applications. Next, preparing to install. Next, Java is used to develop web applications, enterprise applications like e-commerce, ERP, banking, insurance, etc. Next, embedded software applications. Next, smart cards. Actually, Java was initially developed for embedded systems, for TV set-top boxes and washing machine controlling program. Okay, now Java is used for various purposes. Powerful programming language, cross-platform. Installation also very simple. Extracting installer. And Java supports one concept. Write once, run anywhere. Means if you write Java code in Windows, compile the code, you can run that code in Windows or other operating system like Solaris, Macintosh, etc. and vice versa. Means write once and run anywhere. Means Java is portable. Java is flexible, securable. It is asking install to some folder. Okay. Otherwise, you can change the folder. I am using default folder only. Next, 3 billion devices run Java. Number one platform according to Oracle Corporation. It is top 3 programming language. In some years, top 2, sometimes top 3, sometimes top 1 also. Powerful language. And security point of view good. Next, performance also good. See, installing Java. In just a minute. I think it takes 5 minutes. It depends on your computer performance. Okay. Close. Over. 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 After that, open your computer, C drive, program files, Java. See, Java folder, Java folder created. Okay. Next, check the Java installation. CMD. Launch command prompt. Type Java. See, Java is providing. Just a minute. In this folder it is providing. What about others? Suppose on main drive, Java. Oh, it is providing. Just a minute. Open. Next, this PC and right click properties. Advanced system settings. Environment variables. Next, system variables path. Added this one. Already set this path, Java path. By default it's set. Okay. Otherwise, how to set this path? Suppose, just a minute. Path, edit, or edit. Where is delete? Delete. Okay. Okay. Now check the Java installation. I think by default CMD. Java. See. Environment variable not set now. We can't access Java from another directory. If you set Java environment variable path, you can access Java software from any directory in your machine. Observe how to set Java environment variable path. First, select JDK bin directory path. See program files, Java, JDK. Click this one. Click bin. Now, copy this JDK bin directory path from Windows Explorer address bar. Next, my PC. Select my PC or this PC. Right click properties. Advanced system settings. Environment variable. First half user variable, second half system variable. You select system variable. It can be used for all users in this, all users for this mission. Edit, new Java bin directory path. Okay. Oh, restarted. Just a minute. It is. Okay. 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 Close this one. Close. Next, CMD. Type Java. It is providing Java information. Suppose Java C, Java compiler. Java C, Java compiler. It is providing Java compiler information. Okay. Exit. Next step, download and extract Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE also cross-platform. You download your operating system compatible software. For example, mine is Windows 10 64-bit. See, Eclipse Photon. Say Eclipse has several flavors of software. Photon, Luna, etc. I'm downloading Photon. it is flexible. Others also working fine. See, Eclipse Photon for Java developers. Java developers. Where is the Photon? Including JDK. Eclipse Photon. Click this first link. This is Photon. Here select your operating system. Windows 64-bit. Download. Observe left side bottom. It is downloading. Eclipse IDE also open source. Anybody can download and use Eclipse IDE with free of cost. Eclipse IDE is a platform to write and execute computer programs like C, C++, Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, etc. Basically, it was developed for Java. Nowadays, separate plugins available for supporting other programming languages. If it is Java, you don't need to install any plugin. Suppose if you want to write and execute Python programs from Eclipse IDE, you need to install PyDev plugin. Okay. Close this one. Downloads folder. Next, extract this one. Extract all. Extract to desktop. I want to extract this folder to desktop. Extract. What is the advantage of Eclipse IDE? Eclipse IDE is an open source software to write and execute computer programs like Java, C, C++, Perl, Python, PHP, etc. Basically, it was developed for Java. Nowadays, separate plugins available for supporting other programming languages. If we use Eclipse IDE for Java, then it provides editor for writing programs, syntax highlighting, context help, auto compilation, integration with other software, etc. facilities. So it is extracting. For some flavors of Eclipse, you need to install, but for this Photon flavor, you no need to install. Download the software zip version. After downloading, extract that software. Then you can use the Eclipse IDE software directly. It is ready to use software, ready to use. You don't need to install. It is taking too much time. Eclipse IDE also cross-platform. It is best IDE for Java programs. Other IDEs also there, NetBeans, etc. But Eclipse IDE is best IDE for Java. Suppose if it is Python, you can use Eclipse IDE for Python also, but for Python, PyCharm is the best IDE. Just a minute. After installation, after extracting the software, you can launch the Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. It is taking, okay, about to completed. See, after extraction, you can get Eclipse folder. Open this Eclipse folder. In this Eclipse folder, you can find some subfolders and files. Here, Eclipse launcher is there, Eclipse application. Click this Eclipse application. See, launching Eclipse IDE, Photon flavor. Say it is asking for workspace. It is taking default. Otherwise, you can use another location. Why this path? This path for storing our Java programs. We create and save Java programs now. In order to save our Java programs, folder required. This is the folder. This is the default folder it is creating. Otherwise, you can choose another folder. I am selecting default folder only, launch. See, it is launching. First time takes time. Next time onwards, it will launch quickly. Okay. Here, right side bottom, uncheck this option. Always show welcome at a startup. Uncheck this one. Next, here right side top, select workbench. Workbench. You can configure. Just a minute. You can configure Eclipse IDE. You can configure Eclipse IDE. It is showing. Okay. See how to create Java programs. How to create Java programs. See, Java program hierarchy is first create Java project. Under this Java project, create Java package. Just a minute. Java package. Under a Java project, you can create one or more Java packages. Next, create Java class. Under a Java package, we can create multiple Java classes. In Java class, we can write our Java code. Okay. See, file menu, new Java project. Suppose if you don't find this Java project item, here other is there. You go to other. Here type Java. Type Java. You can select Java project. In some flavors of Eclipse IDE, you may not find direct option. You can go to other and type Java, select. In my Eclipse IDE, it is showing new Java project. Suppose my project. You can use any meaningful name. Finish. Next, select Java project and right click package, new package. Suppose ABCDEF. Finish. Next, select Java package and right click new class. Suppose sample. Java class name should start with capital letter. Generate the main method. Java program execution starts from main method. See, small size font. If you want to increase the font size, you can increase. Go to window, preferences, general appearance, colors and fonts. Here Java editor, edit. Just a minute. Suppose I want 18. Okay. Next, console font. Debug. console font, edit, suppose 18, okay, apply, close, okay. Now sample program. Don't focus on this code. Int x equals to 100, semicolon, Java syntax. Int y equals to 200. Next, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println x plus y. Next, condition, if x greater than y, open curly braces, SYSO control space enter, x is big number, x is big number. Next, close if block, open else block. Next, system dot out dot println y is big number. Observe, in this small program we have two outputs. Ninth line, x plus y 300. Next, 11 to 16 line, this decision making block, y is big number. 300, y is big number. Run. You no need to compile the program, auto compilation. See, 300, y is big number, y is big number. See, this is about download and install Java software. Thank you.